Alright guys, so I'm doing a lot of grinding, so I had to bring my face mask. So this is what it looks like, and I think I paid 14 to 20 bucks in Amazon.com. I can't remember how much I paid, but I need to protect my face because dealing with the angle grinder, there's a lot of the fly and metal all over the place. So I had to protect my eyes and my face. So let's see what we're working with now. Alrighty, so we're using the angle grinder to cut stuff. This one came from what is that called? Can't remember the name of it. A grill, I'm sorry. It came from a grill. This piece is right here, this is stainless steel, and the other one is right there, so we need to cut it out because this piece is steel and the rest is stainless steel. So let's go and test it with the magnet. There you go. Magnet picks it up real quick. So this piece right here needs to come out. So what I'm going to do is cut it. I try to hit it with the hammer and a chisel, but it's too hard and it's welded in there, so it's better just to cut it. So let's go ahead and do that. That way we can have a clean piece of stainless steel to sell. I know that's not a lot of money, but I just want to experiment. That way when something big comes, I know how to take things apart. So right now I'm just playing around. Alright, so literally it took me like a few seconds just to knock this off, and that's a clean piece ready to sell. That's stainless steel. And over here I have a grill that I have to take apart. He has a lot of stainless steel. Last time I sold one like that and they paid me pennies because I didn't clean it up. This time I will clean it up real good. That way I can get some decent money. I'm not gonna let the scrap yards rip me off no more. I'm pretty sure they want everything clean so they can sell it. Let me put this thing up here so you can hear me talk a little bit better. Last time that I was selling stuff to my scrap yard, they didn't make a big deal out of it. But lately they've been so picky that I need to start cleaning my stuff real good. Alright, so let's continue working because I have a lot of work to do. Alrighty guys, since I've been experimenting with a bunch of stuff, this one came from that one from the light. That big piece of aluminum that came from there. So this one is copper number 1, and all this is plastic. It's amazing the copper is hiding under there. Nice big piece of copper. Never thought that was possible, but anything's possible. So I just get it from here and pull it off, and it will come out just like that one. Just want to share this moments with you because this is something new that you don't see every day. More stuff that you don't see in the internet, on how to take things apart. One of them is pans. This was metal, steel, so it's hard to take it off. Some people will sell it like this as dirty aluminum, but to get the most money you just have to cut it, you know, first cut it like that, and then cut the little rivets out. The little rivets are aluminum, and this is cast aluminum. That way they don't rust when, you know, you're using your pans and, you know, to cook. And the other one I used was the pin, and hit it real hard and it will come out, just like on this one. I hit it and it came out. You might want to have a little bin or something so you can put your aluminum, scrap aluminum, you know. That stuff is from food, kind of dirty. I already tested it with my magnet. And then, you know, I just hit it again, take this piece out, that's steel, and then the rest is cast aluminum, and it's clean. So there you go. One more thing that I want to tell you is don't let some scrap yards fool you. Like you took all the steel away. So like I was saying, this is cast aluminum. That should pay you as cast aluminum. Even though it's dirty like that, it's no steel or any other metals except that's dirty. If that scrapyard doesn't want to pay you as cast aluminum, then go to another scrapyard. You know, there's plenty of scrapyards. It just depends on your scrapyard, you know, if they want to be nice or assholes. Mine, they're pretty nice on this one. Like I'm saying, some scrap yards they cheat you, but if you let them. But if you tell them, hey, I don't want to get paid as dirty aluminum, you know, I'm going to another one, just give me my pan back, they'll give it to you. Or if you can talk to somebody else, you know, get a second opinion. But don't let the scrap yards fool you though. Alright guys, let me give you another tip. With the angle grinder, you know, I cut this piece. So, and this piece is steel and it's round and it wouldn't come out of there. So what I did was make 2 cuts right there. 1, 2. And then I'm gonna take this piece out of here, and then I'll be able to take the other piece out. I could have just made 1 line, 1 cut, but I decided to make 2. That would be easier. And then take this out of here, and that'd be clean aluminum. Just wanted to give you another tip real quick before I go inside and drink some water, because the heat is very hot. Alright guys, I'm back. So I removed that piece from here, and I tried to open it and take it out, but it seems that it's too hard, so I'm gonna make 1 cut right here and take it out. Alright guys, so it seems it's gonna rain. Lots of clouds, dark clouds. The rain is gonna come pretty soon. Check the forecast and it seems that the rain is coming. So I had to come to a stop. So this is how we protect our little bench that's outside. You know, I turned that desk into a workbench, and when it rains, you know, I had to protect it. So I bought a, what is that called? A tarp.